Hi everyone, it's Ukulele Teacher here, and in today's lesson I'm going to be talking about how to play 8 on the ukulele by Billie Eilish. As usual, make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning. Let's get on with the tutorial. These are the chords that you'll need for the song. If you already know these chords, that is awesome, and you can skip to a later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. Let's get on with the tutorial. The first chord that you will need is a C, and this is third finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. The second chord is the C major 7. This is 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. The third chord is an F. This is 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And the last chord is a G. This is 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. Moving on to strumming pattern. The strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap. Putting it with the first chord of C, it should sound like this. Moving on to chord progression, you will be on the C for 4 beats, the C major 7 for 4 beats, the F for 4 beats, and the G for 4 beats. So it should sound like this, with the strumming pattern all added together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. As usual, like I do, I will have the lyrics down here, so if you want to sing or play along, feel free to do any of those. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, make sure to comment down below some other songs that you would like to see. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.